Welcome. Today in front of me OPPO Reno8 Lite, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So let's just first open the settings application and then scroll to the sounds and vibration. Here the first thing that we'll see that the silent mode is turned off right now. But if you want to turn it off, you should click here once on the switcher. If you want to turn it off again, just click on the switcher once again. We can see that in silent mode, the ringtones and notifications, they are muted. And if you want to just, for example, turn off the silent mode, we can just unmute the ringtone volume and the silent mode automatically is turned off, as you can see. And by the same way we can turn it on, just we should mute the ringtone volume panel. Here we have also the don't disturb mode. We can turn it on and turn it off. We can set a schedule for the don't disturb. We can allow the notifications, messages, calls from anyone or just from any applications. Here also we can activate their ring for repeated calls, and also we can silence media in don't disturb mode. We can also here switch the volume of the media, ringtone, notifications and alarms. We can change the ringtone and notification sounds here. Also we can turn on or turn off the vibration on ring mode and silent mode. And here in haptics and tones we can use the vibration on touch. Then we can activate or turn off the dial pad tones, the screen lock and lock sounds, screenshot sounds, deletion sounds, fingerprint animation sounds, touch sounds. So we can turn on or turn off all of these options by click on the switchers. And here we have also the sound technology. We can switch it from the smart to movie, game or music. And in advanced settings we can see also the volume button function. So we can switch the media volume to the ringtone volume. For example, now we have selected the media, and when we'll use the volume buttons, we will just change the media volume. We can also switch default recorder from auto select to add on, and in ear monitoring here we can turn on or turn off this feature just by click once on the switcher. So that's it. That's all of the sound settings on our OPPO Reno8 Lite. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.